name is Peggy DeMars with the IFAS Broward County Extension Master Gardener Program. And I'm here to show you the 8th day of growing our pea shoots or microgreens. And as you can see, they're about 5 inches tall. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut all of them at one time. And I have my scissors here, and I'll just cut about an inch above the seeds. And I like to store my microgreens in a container versus using another plastic bag. And they will store nicely in the refrigerator, unwashed, for at least 2 weeks. I like to use them, like I said earlier, on sandwiches, salads. I put some in my tabbouleh, and they turned out really good. So I'm cutting all of these, and I'm going to put them in this container. And you're going to be able to grow another crop. Remember I showed you the other growth of the other one. It was very spindly, and there weren't that many shoots. But if you continue watering this every day, every morning, and every night, you'll get a nice second crop. And once you finish growing it completely and you have some seeds left over, what you can do is grow another crop, but you will need a fresh bag of soil in order to grow them. Okay, so what I'll be doing is just watering, once I said, in the morning and at night. In about another week, they'll be about 5 inches tall again, and then I will be cutting them all. So I store them unwashed, and I wash them at the time of use. So I want to recap a little bit about what you need and what we did, and just to show how easy it was. We started out with 2 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of seeds, and I let them soak overnight. Then I strained them and I spread them evenly on top of my soil. And as I mentioned earlier, you only need about a gallon-sized bag worth of soil, so you don't have to go out and buy a big bag if you can find somebody with some soil. And my tray was a tray from one of the dollar stores. It's got a plastic lid, and if this is the route you want to take to cover, you have to cover it at an angle. And then you throw a towel over the top because you want to mimic the seed being underground in order to stimulate the growth. And as I mentioned earlier, this is my favorite lid. It's very easy, just throw it on top. So we did that for 2 days, and the whole time the seeds are on the soil, you water every morning and every night. So you can see you can grow microgreens in 8 days. It's so easy. Give it a try.